When you think of a civil engineer, you might think of someone making calculations for large-scale infrastructure projects. But what we do is actually much more groundbreaking. We tackle complex challenges with innovative solutions. Like the Paradise Bridge in Bergen, Norway, Europe's longest fully composite footbridge. From concept to completion, we created a bold and functional design that ensures safe crossing for pedestrians and cyclists. Lightweight, waterproof and installed in one piece. The bridge has been built to last with minimal maintenance.
Being a shipyard and dry dock engineer isn't just about designing facilities. It's innovation, precision and coordination on a global scale. From engineered waterfronts to deserts. I travel the world collaborating with clients and colleagues in a wide range of locations, like in Saudi Arabia, where I helped develop the country's first multi-use shipyard, working alongside a team of experts to bring this vision to life. The project involved complex challenges from managing massive civil structures and cranes to integrating advanced mechanical, electrical and control systems. I'm at the forefront of driving environmental change, redesigning processes and implementing technologies that reduce pollution and capture contaminating materials.
When you think of an airport planner, you might picture someone sitting behind a desk drawing airport layouts. But what we really do is much more exciting. We travel across the globe, sometimes landing on some of the most challenging runways in the world in small propeller planes. These real-life experiences help us to plan new airports in incredible places and connect communities across the world, like one in the Himalayas that aims to boost tourism while protecting the surrounding natural environment. Using our skills, we plan airports that are efficient, sustainable and tailored to the area's unique challenges and climate.
When you think of structural engineering, concrete may be the first thing that comes to mind. But what I really do is so much more challenging and innovative. Here at Royal Scaling DSV we are asking ourselves, how can we transform the future? Our answer? Digital construction. We have harnessed cutting-edge technology to design and 3D printed the bridge, built entirely by a robot. Welcome to the future of structural engineering.